Alright, listen up. No BS, let's get this done. You want to turn off stock lending on Robinhood? Stop letting them make money off your shares, right? Here's the drill, step by step, no fluff. Step 1, open Robinhood. Obvious, but you gotta start there. Step 2, tap the account icon. Bottom right, look for your little profile pic. Step 3, tap investing. It's gonna be in the list, find it. Step 4, scroll down, find stock lending. It's there, keep scrolling. Step 5, toggle it off. Flip that switch, bam. Done. That's IT. No secret handshake. No hidden menus. You just did it. Here's the tip. Check back periodically. Robinhood updates their app. Features move. Make sure it's still off. Don't assume it stays that way. Stay on top of your shit.